Hi everyone, Google Play Store is missing in my streamer. If you have the same problem, I'm gonna show you how to get it back. Now, so let's search for Google Play Store. Google Play Store.
Results for Google Play Store.
As you can see, I don't have it. To fix the problem, go to Settings. On the right, here, open Settings. Scroll down to Apps. See all apps. Then scroll down to Show System Apps and press that. Look for Google Play Store. If you don't see it in the front, just scroll down and find it in the System Apps. So once you have found Google Play Store, you just press to open it. Scroll down to Enable. Press Enable and press OK, and you'll get Google Play Store back in your streamer. This works on the new Google TV streamer, on Google televisions, and Chromecast with Google TV as well. Let's search again for Google Play Store. Google Play Store.
Okay.
Now it's available in my streamer. That's it for today. Please subscribe if it's the first time you're watching my videos. See you in the next one.